Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the closure system of the Dyson HS01. Today, we'll guide you through each step to ensure a successful repair. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Now, let's get started. Begin by unplugging your Dyson HS01 to ensure safety during the repair. Lay the vacuum on a flat surface, preferably on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Locate the screws on the handle. There are typically 4 Phillips screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each screw and set them aside in a safe location. It's advisable to use a magnetic tray to prevent losing any small parts. Once all screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart to access the closure system inside. Now, you'll see the closure mechanism. Inspect it for any visible damage or wear. If it appears dirty, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean out any debris. This step is crucial as it ensures the new system will function smoothly. If you find that you don't have the necessary tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in assessing the issue without any pressure to commit to repairs. Next, remove the old closure system by carefully detaching it from its housing. Take note of how the old system is positioned, as you'll want to replicate this with your new part. If you have your new closure system ready, align it properly and press it into place until you hear a click. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Position it back together and ensure that everything fits snugly. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver and tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. After all screws are back in place, give the handle a gentle tug to ensure everything is secure. At this point, if you feel uncertain about the integrity of your repair, we recommend requesting a quote before repair from our service. This way, you can compare the costs and decide what's best for you. Next, plug in your Dyson HS01 and perform a quick test to ensure the closure system is functioning correctly. Check that the handle opens and closes smoothly without resistance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, with our pickup and delivery at your home, you won't have to worry about transporting your vacuum anywhere. It's as simple as a call away, no calls, no travel. Finally, to maintain your Dyson vacuum, consider cleaning the internal components regularly. Use a damp cloth to wipe down surfaces and ensure that no dust accumulates. This maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on replacing the closure system on the Dyson HS01. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel empowered to tackle your repairs with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.